Alright, we're out here in the old proving grounds just doing some drift bashing. The drifts are hard as a rock today, so we didn't get much footage, but hopefully you'll enjoy what we did actually shoot today. Just doing a little more testing and tweaking, trying to make sure that 2018 is good to go for some trail riding, and we'll take it out again tomorrow just to beat the snot out of it, just to make sure in general it keeps on firing like it should. Anyway, we'll catch you in the snowbanks.
Hope it was recording. I can launch that one.
I know. It was great. You had tons of snow. You want to do it again?
Yeah, I'll try that same one again.
Yeah.
Whew.
Just in case.
I'm all tangled up in this wire now. E-Link is not meant for free riders.
Yeah.
That was funny.
Awesome. Yeah, it's the tippy that track seems amazing. See what the other side looks like.
Yeah, let's go. Let's keep going. I think I've pretty much destroyed these. They're nice and soft now, though, if you really think about it.
Oh shit, that was awesome.
I'm picking it right up. Okay, let's go. Whew. Need a bit of a breather.
Whoa! I just tripped. Fuck.
Oh my god! Are you okay though?
Yeah, I'm trying to do the.
Yeah, did you cut the machine off?
Yep.
You want me to get a picture of it like that, really quickly?
No.
No? Okay. Hold on. Don't hurt yourself. From?
The handlebars.
Don't. Okay, you might be able to reverse it. Where's your key? Oh, you're just gonna. You want to try to pick up the back end and get it a little more solid?
I think so. And bring the front end around.
Hold on.
Camera got a little snowed.
Here, on the bumper and on the key. Go. There you go.
That'll be good.
You can do your avalanche test here.
Yeah.
Nice and solid.
That's right. Oh, that was bad.
As long as you're okay, that's all I care.
Oh yeah, it was a slow. It was the worst freaking.
Give the machine a second before getting on or either.
Here, you gotta move out of the way.
Oh, I can't wait to see this then. Go. Yeah, you got it. Oh, yeah.
She dangles.
I guess E-Link's not meant for mountain riding, Dad.
No.
Oh, there's actually a lot of snow over here.
Ooh, winter wheat.
Hopefully not. It wouldn't be growing like this by now, would it?
Yeah, it might. We'll stay to the edge anyway. I gotta gap that.
A lot of these are hard as fuck.
Oh, this isn't very good over here. They're flat. Yeah, that camera stopped though. Oh no, it's still going, I think.
Holy shit. Oh my god, yeah. Yeah, it's all rock hard.
Yeah, they're stiff as a... We'll go up the... Oh shit, man, that was awesome.
Yeah, what?
Do you want to hit that again? Nice.
Yeah, this track paddles, man. It's a good track.
Yeah.
Looks like our buddy Jacob won't be the only one having some fun at sports.
Oh
and
yeah.
eh? I won't be getting stuck in no creeks this year. Look at the big thing of ice around my shocks. Funny. Really dirty snow in this field.
It is. Because there's not much of it. That's the problem.
Yeah.
We should have some decent footage.
Want to head over where that hill is? Because usually there's some powder over there too.
Yeah,
On the
we
flip side.
can over the cliff.
Get some photos of this.
We'll go back to the drift line over there and then we'll do that.
Huh.
Oh.
Oh my god, my ass. That does not feel good.
We'll have to figure that one out.
Something cool. Yeah.
That was just a little guy. Whoop. Oh my god. You can try putting your roller skis down.
No, like look at that. I got it already started. We're just gonna really pull the front end over. The ski is really pointed vertical. You can't drive it straight out. Look at it.
Holy shit.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pick up. It's gonna go. It's soft enough. We'll pick up the front end.
Just drag
And
her
we're really
over.
gonna pull it over. Yeah. And I think after that I should be able to drive straight out.
Well, yeah, if you drive and I'll pull the ski, it should go.
We gotta pull the whole front end this way. Ready? Go. Go. A little more. Okay, how's that ski looking now on that
Good,
side?
but just drive and I'll pull.
I think I'm packed in pretty deep back here, Dad. Ready?
Yeah.
Well, I'm fast on it. Here, go.
Oh my god, you should see the shear kicking up. That was awesome. Think I can power through that?
No, because that's exactly how I got stuck. Just back up. It's solid.
There's no reverse.
I mean, there's no reverse.
I can do
You're
it.
not going to do that. No, your camera's going to go front end in. I just did the exact same thing and it didn't work.
Yeah, but I'm higher than you right now.
Let's have smart shots. The fun police.
Good point.
Alright, place your bets, folks. Is he going right into the fence, getting stuck the same way, or somehow going to make this? All bets are
Sport.
in. I don't want to say enough.
It's a
of that.
sport mode.
Just try to wheelie it, I guess.
Oh yeah. Just
Okay.
walked her.
Okay.
Cakewalk. Oh, that's good.
It hasn't broken yet.
No.
You just did that.
Ooh.
Powder and landing. Wow.
Oh,
What are you doing? The adventures are letting you down?
yeah.
Holy, it's windy over here.
Not much snow like there usually is, though.
No, usually right around here there's tons of
Yeah.
snow.
Usually we're doing like
Side hill.
a little bit of side hilling to be had there.
We'll give it a shot. My wheelie hill. Sorry.
You gonna go for it?
To get this thing turned around, probably.
I'll just stay to the right. Okay, go.
A little bit worried about the corn stalks under the snow, but
I wouldn't.
well,
Powered out. Look at that technique.
what do you think about that? Right
Not
up.
very- You gonna try it again?
Yeah, I can.
That kind of sucked.
Did you actually? It's hard because it's on such a hill, like,
Yeah.
trying to keep these things pointed, keep them straight. I want you to stay over there this time.
Yeah.
At least I know where you are, too. See, I didn't know where you were, and it was like, am I going to run into this guy?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to do exactly what I did again. Get a good approach and just...
Nice! Woohoo! That was awesome!
Woo! You fly away? Holy crap!
Give me your phone and I'll take a slow-mo with your phone.
Sure.
That is a fucking awesome picture to fucking clip out. Here, I'm gonna move forward just a bit.
What'd you say? What's going on?
I'm just gonna move forward a bit.
Should be good. Yeah, okay, there's video. Going
And
sideways
slow-mo
like that.
too?
No, I'll just do regular video. I can
Okay.
put it into editing after if I want to slow-mo it.
Yeah, if you can come like in this clean stuff and then come up here.
That's where I've
If
been-
you get your
can
leg
see-
out
you
here.
can see where I've been turning or where my legs
Yeah.
started to be dragging, so.
Yeah, that's the shot. And the trees in the background just add to it.
Alright, I'm coming in hot. Yeah, I think I see where you want me to go. The clean stuff. Yeah, I got
Yeah.
that. Just try not to hit you.
No, I'll move.
Okay.
Not bad. There'll be something in there for you.
Did you? I was kicking off the ground. I hope there's something in that. Whew. Dude, did you see how sharp I turned that time
Yeah.
as well? Because it wouldn't go. It wasn't soft enough, and then it got the softness, and I was like, oh crap.
That was awesome.
I want to see that video right now.
Woo. Test grounds. Yeah, I'm
Holy,
curious
this
too.
thing's beastin'. I love this.
It looks so good.
Running good now too. Yeah, like look at that.
Yeah, right on. So you want to just call it a day then?
You want to try getting sideways, or are you beyond that?
I can do it. Like if you want to get your phone or take this.
Okay, I'll take the camera from you.
Going a little too fast, I think. Get it. Yeah, you're going too fast. You gotta, oh my gosh. So, you gotta try it again, or you too tired? Go. So what I do is roll slow, and almost at the point when you feel like the machine would get stuck from being on the hill, that's when you let the leg out and pin it. You're getting a little far down there, but I think you got it this time. Yeah, no, tip it up. Oh, yeah, dude, you dusted the fucking sled. You got stones and shit. That was cool. That was awesome, man. I got the whole bottom showing there. That was cool. How you carved her in front. I was kind of worried you were going to hit me. Like you are about to right here. Oh, yeah, that's it. That's the shot. Dude, that's sick. Look at how much of a bank you made. That was cool. Oh my God. Look, the 2024 Gen 5.
Yeah, you could just dance these things on one ski.
Are you gonna do it again?
I'm gonna try one more time.
Yeah.
I kind of want to do what you did. I don't know if I.
Yeah, do it right here though. Go past my tracks and right in here.
Oh man, I don't know if I could be that accurate.
Yeah, you can. Once you get her tipped up, she just goes. No, further. Further. Go, just spin it a little bit like you told me to do. It's shooting shit. It's shooting shit like way down the bank.
I saved it from getting stuck. That's all that matters. That was funny. I got a little too far down there. I fell in one of my old tracks.
Here, go up on the snow drifts over here. We'll
We'll charge the farmer for the winter plowing.
Can I get beside you somewhere? Somewhere we can park beside each other. Actually, that's not too bad if I go. Hold it, stay there.
Yeah. Can I crawl it like I did?
Well, actually, if I go over here, it's not as steep.
Oh yeah, dude.
Okay.
Alright, that was
cool.
good. I'm sweating.
I gotta get ready for the podcast anyway.
We should try to figure out a wire up 2 microphones and do it together.
We can.
Something I meant to ask you how to do, because I know how to set it up like through.
I've got 2 mics.
I was gonna tell you about that last week. About last week's one. When I saw those viewer numbers, I'm like, shit.
Holy, she's windy.
The cold front's coming in, brother.
Drop in.
Yeah, really, drop into the quarter pipe.
Right over your shit.
Let him dangle.
She dangles, boys. She dangles.
Pack. It's actually getting some dig, and I'm standing this thing up to my fucking chest.
Yeah.
Whew. That's fun. I'm glad to be able to get out at home like this. It's rare. Why did you stop? It's taking photos?
Shouldn't be.
Shut off. Why does everybody have these 360 cameras work for them except for us?
I know.
Not enough storage or something?
No. Starting recording. There. Oh, I got that.
Oh no, it just stopped again. What is it saying?
I guess we can't clip it to that bar. Recording stopped due to low battery. Oh, that makes sense.
Oh, what? Okay. Well, that's fine. Next time. I don't see how Freerider takes his exact camera up in the mountains all day.
Well, they probably got 5 or 6 batteries too. We'll
If
figure
we
it out.
couldn't get one video to film out the
Yeah, I think it works. We'll see what we got.
Good. Okay, we have too many people in the trailer. This is a one-person operation.
Look how you chew off with your runners.
Wait, is that the
That's from the
Super Glide?
yeah. It's funny.
I've been seeing those around the trailer and I've been wondering.
I know that's what it is.